Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Don't let antivirus impact fslogix performance, a detailed tutorial with code examples. fslogix is a powerful solution for managing user profiles in virtualized environments. It redirects user profiles to a central location, enabling faster login times, consistent user experiences, and simplified management. However, antivirus software, essential for security, can significantly impact fslogix performance if not configured correctly. This tutorial will guide you through the best practices and configurations to minimize the impact of antivirus on your fslogix deployments. Why antivirus impacts fslogix performance *. Antivirus software constantly scans files and processes, including those related to fslogix. This scanning introduces latency and resource contention, particularly when accessing user profile data. Here's why. File access scans fslogix leverages VHD-X files to store user profiles. Antivirus software scans these files during login, logout, and whenever changes occur within the profile. Frequent access translates to frequent scans, hindering performance. Real-time scanning real-time protection, crucial for security, continuously monitors file system activity. The constant scrutiny of fslogix's I/O operations adds overhead, slowing down profile access. CPU and memory consumption. Antivirus agents consume system resources, including CPU and memory. This competition for resources can impact the overall performance of the virtual machine or session host, indirectly affecting fslogix's responsiveness. False positives. While less common, antivirus software might occasionally misidentify legitimate fslogix files or processes as threats, leading to unnecessary quarantines or interventions that disrupt user experience. Key strategies to mitigate antivirus impact. To ensure optimal fslogix performance while maintaining robust security, implement the following strategies. 1. Exclusions. This is the most critical step. Configure your antivirus software to exclude specific files, folders, and processes associated with fslogix. These exclusions prevent unnecessary scanning and reduce overhead. A. File and folder exclusions. VHD-X container folder. The folder where fslogix stores the user profile VHD-X files. This is typically located on a network share accessible to the session hosts. Example: //file server /fslogix profiles /. Exclude this entire folder from scanning. fslogix installation directory. The directory where the fslogix agent is installed. Example: C /program files /fslogix /apps *. Temporary files directory. fslogix uses temporary files during operation. Exclude the temporary files directory. While the location of these files is managed internally, it's recommended to consult the fslogix documentation for your specific version and configuration. A common location would be under the user's profile in the local app data folder. If possible, identify the specific directory used by fslogix and exclude it. Otherwise, exclude the user's local app data folder, which comes with its own security considerations. See note below. Example: C /users /appdata /local /temp /fslogix. Office container. If you are using fslogix Office 365 containers, exclude the folder where these containers are stored. This is similar to the user profile container exclusion. Example: file server fslogix office 365 * any custom applications folder * if your applications reside on a network drive and you are using fslogix to provision these applications, exclude the folders where they reside. Example, / file server / applications / Example antivirus exclusion, Windows Defender via PowerShell. Important notes on exclusions ***. Wildcards, example use wildcards carefully. Overly broad exclusions can weaken your security posture. The above example uses a wildcard for the username in the temp directory. This should only be used if the fslogix temp folder is specific to the user. Security considerations * while excluding the user app data directory may boost performance, carefully consider the security implications. Malware often targets app data for persistent installation. Use it judiciously and only if the specific fslogix temp folder can't be precisely identified. Consider implementing other security controls to compensate if you exclude app data. Least privilege * configure file share permissions and NTFS permissions to restrict access to the profile containers. Only authorized users and computers should have access. This limits the potential impact if an attacker compromises a single user account. Regular review * regularly review your antivirus exclusions to ensure they remain relevant and do not create unintended security gaps. B. Process exclusions * exclude the main fslogix processes from scanning. This is crucial for preventing antivirus from interfering with fslogix's core functionality. *frxsvc.exe * the fslogix service. *frxdrvvt.exe * the fslogix driver component. *frxdrvio.exe * another fslogix driver component. *frxcmd.exe * the fslogix command line utility. Example antivirus exclusion, Windows Defender via PowerShell. 2. Scheduled scanning *. Avoid running full antivirus scans during peak usage hours. Schedule scans for off-peak times, example overnight or during weekends, to minimize impact on user performance. Configure your antivirus to utilize resources efficiently during scheduled scans. Consider staggering scheduled scans across different servers to prevent resource contention. 3. On-demand scanning *. If on-demand scans are required, educate users to avoid scanning the entire profile disk. Instead, focus scans on specific files or folders of concern. 4. Resource monitoring and tuning *. Continuously monitor the resource usage, CPU, memory, disk I/O, of your antivirus solution on the session hosts. Identify any excessive resource consumption and tune the antivirus configuration accordingly. Modern antivirus solutions offer extensive logging and reporting capabilities. Leverage these features to gain insights into scan activity and identify potential bottlenecks. 5. Antivirus behavior monitoring *. Many modern AV solutions have behavior monitoring or similar that looks for unusual or suspicious behavior patterns. These patterns often trigger even with legitimate software, especially software such as fslogix that actively changes and manages files. Consider disabling behavioral monitoring for fslogix processes if performance issues are persistent, while carefully monitoring for any actual malware threats. 6. Real-time scanning optimization *. Configure the real-time scanning settings of your antivirus solution. Some key settings to consider. Scan on write only *. Configure real-time scanning to primarily scan files when they are written to disk, rather than continuously scanning them during read operations. This can significantly reduce overhead. Asterisk prioritize important files. Asterisk some antivirus solutions allow you to prioritize scanning of specific file types, example executables, scripts. Prioritizing these files can improve security without impacting the performance of profile access. 7. Update frequency. Asterisk. Balance the need for up-to-date virus definitions with the potential for performance impacts. Frequent updates can introduce overhead as the antivirus software downloads and processes new definitions. Consider scheduling updates for off-peak hours or staggering updates across your infrastructure. Automated updates are crucial, but ensure they are properly configured to avoid disruptions. 8. Storage considerations. Asterisk. The performance of your storage infrastructure is crucial for fslogix. Use fast storage, example SSDs, for the profile containers to minimize latency. Optimize your storage configuration, example RAID levels, caching policies, for read-intensive workloads. 9. Virtual machine resource allocation. Asterisk. Ensure that your virtual machines or session hosts have sufficient resources, CPU, memory, to accommodate both the fslogix workload and the antivirus software. Insufficient resources can lead to resource contention and performance degradation. Monitor resource utilization and adjust the VM configuration as needed. 10. fslogix configuration tuning. Asterisk. While the focus is on antivirus, optimize your fslogix configuration as well. Consider the following. Asterisk profile type, profile container versus Office 365 container. Choose the appropriate container type based on your needs. Office 365 containers are typically smaller and can lead to faster synchronization. Asterisk VHD, X, optimization. Asterisk regularly defragment the VHD, X, files. Asterisk cache redirection. Asterisk configure fslogix to cache frequently accessed files locally to reduce network traffic. Asterisk compression. Consider carefully fslogix supports compression of VHD, X, files. While compression can reduce storage space, it may also increase CPU usage. Test compression thoroughly to determine its impact on performance in your environment. 11. Use the fslogix optimizer, frxsvc.exe/optimize. The fslogix optimizer tool is a built-in utility that can help improve the performance of your fslogix containers by compacting and defragmenting the VHD, X, files. You can schedule this tool to run regularly during off-peak hours. Example using Task Scheduler, PowerShell. This PowerShell script creates a scheduled task that runs daily at 3 a.m., executing the fslogix optimizer. 12. Consider app containerization/virtualization asterisk. For applications that are particularly problematic with antivirus interference or that introduce significant IOPS overhead, consider using app containerization technologies like Microsoft AppV, VMware ThinApp, or similar. This isolates the application from the underlying operating system and profile, reducing the impact on fslogix. 13. Testing and benchmarking asterisk. The most important step is to thoroughly test and benchmark your fslogix environment with the antivirus solution enabled. Measure login times, application launch times, and overall user responsiveness. Compare the performance with and without antivirus enabled to quantify the impact. This data will help you refine your antivirus configuration and identify any remaining bottlenecks. Use tools like Login VSI or similar benchmarking tools to simulate real-world user workloads. Document your testing methodology and results. 14. Monitor and alert asterisk. Implement monitoring and alerting for key performance metrics, such as login times, application launch times, and CPU/memory utilization. This will help you detect performance issues early and take corrective action. Integrate your monitoring with your existing IT operations management tools. 15. Collaboration with antivirus vendor **. If you continue to experience significant performance issues despite implementing the recommended configurations, consider engaging with your antivirus vendor. They may have specific recommendations or optimizations for fslogix environments. Provide detailed information about your fslogix configuration, antivirus settings, and performance metrics. Code example: checking and applying exclusions, PowerShell. This script helps ensure exclusions are configured for Windows Defender. It checks if the required exclusions are present and adds them if they are missing. Important considerations and best practices **. Regular updates *. Keep your fslogix software, operating system, and antivirus solution up to date with the latest patches and updates. Security vulnerabilities can be exploited to bypass antivirus protection. Security awareness training *. Educate users about the importance of security and how to avoid malware infections. Defense in-depth *. Antivirus is just one layer of defense. Implement a multi-layered security approach that includes firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and other security controls. Vendor documentation *. Consult the documentation for both fslogix and your antivirus solution for specific recommendations and best practices. Troubleshooting high CPU usage * Investigate which processes are consuming the most CPU resources. If it's the antivirus agent, review your exclusions and real-time scanning settings. Slow login/logout times * Monitor the time it takes for fslogix to mount and dismount the VHD/exe files. If the times are excessive, check your storage performance, network connectivity, and antivirus exclusions. Application errors * If applications are crashing or experiencing errors, check the event logs for clues. The antivirus solution may be interfering with the application's operation. Conclusion * By carefully configuring your antivirus software, optimizing your fslogix configuration, and continuously monitoring performance, you can minimize the impact of antivirus on your fslogix deployments and provide a fast, reliable, and secure user experience. Remember that security and performance are often competing priorities. The key is to find the right balance that meets your organization's specific needs and risk tolerance. Thorough testing and ongoing monitoring are essential to ensure that your fslogix environment performs optimally. Good luck.